Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add people on Facebook. So if you want to add friends or anyone on Facebook, I want to first recommend that you click on the friends on the upper part of your screen at the top here, the middle button. And here you will see friends request. You will also see suggestions if it's suggesting anyone to you and so forth. If it's a brand new account, it may not recommend anyone. You also may see contact list, may not. But in order to search for people, just use a search on the top, left, right there, and simple type. So I'm going to simple type in my name, for example. And you can also search for friends on Facebook as well by enter an email address. So if you know someone email address, you can go ahead and try to search for them by using their email address as well to see if you can find them. So go ahead and try that. I'm going to try and it will go ahead and do a search. Now, once it searches, just go ahead and click on the people on the left hand side. So it will just kind of change from all to people, and so that you will be able to find. If you're not able to find a person by simply using an email address that you suspect that you know, then you may need to go ahead and get that person's username. This way you're able to easily search by the username. Now, another way you can easily search is by typing in the person's first name, last name, and possibly type something along with it, like for example, their country. You can or their city, you can type that in and it's gonna search and find a person. I think that also up to narrows down the search so that you can easily find someone. So type their first name, last name. If it's too wide, enter their email address. If you're still having issue, try typing first name, last name, and then the city that they live in. You may narrow down the search and help you to find the person better. As you can see here, I'm able to find that. So I'm going to add this person right here. So I'm going to click on add and send the request. And once that person accepts, which is my case, then you'll be able to be friends with that person. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.